Welcome everyone. Today we're drawing a cute holiday wreath. Let's begin in the center of the page and draw 2 circles for the eyes. We're going to start on the left side, start at the very top, come all the way around, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, go down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side. Then we'll add a smaller circle on the bottom right. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now move to the center, draw a straight line going across the top of the mouth. Go back to the left side, curve the mouth coming down and then back up. Let's draw a straight line across the top of the teeth, a curve across the bottom for the tongue, and then we'll fill the inside in black. Now I'm going to move down in the center and draw a circle for the knot of the bow. Go to the left side, draw the bow going up, around, and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. Go back to the left side, curve the bottom half of the bow coming up underneath the knot. Let's go to the side and draw 2 short lines going across. Let's move up and draw the inside of the wreath. Starting in the center, curve this up and then down. Go to the left side, I'm just going to draw these curves going all the way around in a circle. Up towards the top middle, and then around the right side. Let's move down to the side of the bow and draw the outside of the wreath. We draw these little curves going all the way around. Let's add 3 circles for the ornaments, starting on the left. Add 1 across the middle on the top, and then 1 on the right side. Let's add a small square across the top of each circle, and then a short line going up the middle. Now let's fill the inside of the wreath with a little texture, these curves going across. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon holiday wreath. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.